Hi guys, so it is vacation season, and for today's video we're gonna do a fun challenge where the three of us build our dream vacation wardrobe together using all Neff's pieces, whether it is bags, clothes or jewelry. We're going to try and build our dream suitcase. So each one of us gets to put in 5 pieces and yeah. Okay, so first off we have the Camille top. I feel like this is so Euro summer coded. I love red gingham. I think the white lace is super cute too. I would also probably style this with the salt skirt. It's like a corset, but it doesn't have the uncomfortable boning that comes with corsets. So yeah, Camille is definitely going in my suitcase. Next up, and I feel like this is also such a staple, everyone needs a white maxi dress when you're going on holiday, and the salt dress is definitely that. It is minimal, you can totally dress it up and dress it down. I really love the Sally tote. I love the tan and the stripe combination. I actually reach out to this one quite a lot because it is the perfect size. It fits in everything you need. Even if you're going to the beach, it can fit in a small hand towel. It can also fit in a book and some everyday essentials. I feel like traveling is all about having a lot of good cord sets. You need stuff that is a no-brainer when it comes to styling. So my pick is definitely the Athena set, and these two work really great as separates too. So my fifth pick is the super fun Pixie bag. It would totally elevate any of my outfits, and I feel like since we're all building the suitcase together, I feel like it would go with a lot of the girls' picks as well. Not to mention my sixth pick is Posh. He loves suitcases. It's too bad he can't travel with me.
Hi, so it's my turn to pick the pieces. So my first pick would be this Lolita top. I think this is perfect for any vacation because A, it's a statement piece and you will always stand out when you're wearing this. The best thing that I like about this top is it's backless, so you get your poo moment. I would love to take this with me. You can obviously pair it with our salt skirt. That would go perfect with this. The next pick is the jewel skirt. This I think is very floral, very summery, and I think it would look perfect with like a white tube top. You'll have your Mamma Mia moment in this. Another thing that I feel is a must-have on any vacation is the striped pants, and it's the Lou pants. I feel whenever we go on a vacation, obviously we love to stand out, but comfort is also very important. So I think one staple or like a one comfortable piece would be really good. You never know when you just decide to chill. So I feel this would be perfect for that. Something that just makes or breaks your outfit is jewelry. So I feel this jewelry is just perfect for any vacation. This is our seashell necklace, and I think this will go with all the outfits that I've selected right now. Last but not the least, I think the salt tote bag is just perfect because it can carry almost everything that you need when you're going on a vacation. It'll carry your water bottle, your power banks, even your clothes if you want to change your outfit at the last moment.
Okay, so here are my top 5 picks. I absolutely love white. I'm obsessed with whites. So it only makes sense if my first pick is a white top. This is the Hira top. I absolutely love the eyelet detailing that's there on the top, and also it just has a really flattering fit. Next up is the jewels top. It is so dainty, so feminine, and it also just has the right amount of pop of color. I think it's perfect for vacations. I mean, if you're not dressing up on vacations, then when will you? Okay, next up is the Piper skirt. I am a big fan of maxi skirts, and especially gingham. It goes perfectly with everything. I mean, the styling opportunities are endless with this. Okay, now coming to accessories, because accessories are really important. My most trusted seashell earrings. I mean, if I'm going for a beach vacation, then might as well carry a little bit of beach with me when I'm entering. So yeah, I think these are perfect for vacation. The classic Kate bag in tan. This never goes out of style and probably goes well with everything. This is the only bag that I would grab for my vacation.
Okay, our suitcase is full, probably overweight as usual. Let us know in the comments section what you would add to your dream suitcase using our Neff's Finds pieces. We'll see you guys super soon. Bye!